teach this guy. Man had to teach this guy. Man had to teach this guy 100 times how to fucking video. Fam, you know what it is? I swear to God, but yeah, we're just out here. Local V60, it's taking a local tour of London quickly, but you know, just try to give the cameraman a look at them on.
Big up the girl that know your breast long like goat rope. But the boy still a suck them off. Baby, you can bust a slow wine for me, please.
Look like you need a no replacement.
This cabman just driving slow, you know, I don't wanna. I should have cut in front of him, look pussy. That's exactly what
generation is this GoPro?
What's this one? 7.
Well, how do I pause it?
Press the, you just gotta press the top bit. So happens when you drive slow from you just get caught up. Man ain't got fucking time to waste, you know, man. Stop playing.
Never can make panties drop. Turn the room to the bank and shop. It's hot when she turn and wine and she wine on.
Fair enough if you're going left. You ain't gonna go nowhere. Now Batman is trapped. They're idiots on the road. Nowadays there's no crashes in there's not really any crashes in London for fucking speeding or dangerous driving. It's just bare idiotic, like driver error. That's the biggest fucking, I'd say it's driver error more than fatigue. But we move, man. At least you got a safe car, bro. This will just break if man's moving mad. Man's moving too giddy. Driving dynamic, I'm driving in eco mode, brother, and just pushing like this. That's what I like. Too close, bike, man, too close. You know, I just deep, bro. This is how you turn on the fucking air vent. That is.
Yeah, no, I was playing with it a while ago. Still,
that's hard. Fuck, you know, you defo wanks. I'm joking, but yeah, man. No, this car is neat still. Query out.
Oh, me think that your husband say you must answer that guy calling you.
I was driving. 4 hours back.
Okay.
This is the tightest road.
That would have been a long day with that long thing.
No, I thought that was it. Oh my days, I saw the black and the wheels. I thought, what the hell?
You push out there.
That right there, you wanna bust it? Go back on yourself.
This one, yeah?
No, you were supposed to think it was that right there. Go left again. Yeah. You have to do it again, but then when you come back down, do the right.
Oh, left then right.
Alright, this is turbo.
We just do things to
This is definitely got a turbo, I can hear it. Oh gosh. That had hungry.
Mad road.
Mad, bro.
Alright, cool.
Oh, there's the road there.
Alright,
Why do I try? Why do I try? Why do I try? Why do I try?
Driver. That looks like his car, that range.
Yeah, probably is.
Probably is. See my Betsy.
Service and repair. Alright, place this.
100%.
They so bad that car. You look right there, they're reasonable when you see it.
Of good seller.
Yeah.
Alright, man, I had to just turn up the brightness of the car so you can see a bit clearly. You know, like I don't want to turn on the light at the top. So just clear it out so you can see. You can just cut up these pussies, man. Trying to find where the fucking. Trying to find where the rascal. Because I need to get some petty soon. Bro. This car drinks. I'm driving a 2-litre hybrid and it fucking drinks. Oh my days. I'm driving in eco mode because obviously I'm not really racing like that. When I'm racing, I just flick it to dynamic. Fucking hell, yeah, man. This is the traffic, this is the road, this is what we're on. This is what we're dealing with.
talk to the gal, I wanna.
There's bro. I like how this car pushes you out of the lane when you try to whip over. My man. My man's proper trying to get past. Oh. Oi, that the whips man seeing. Oi, that the whips man seeing. You better careful because of a car crash that happened earlier. These men are fucking funny, man. These men are fucking funny. What? What's your... I want to know why I done these issues. That's what I want to know it. Very dodgy drivers. I'm off the phone, bro. Boy. Gunshot. I'm just vlogging the rest of the journey, man. Very idiots on the road. Fuck you know. If I don't indicate the car is you will fight me to go over, man. Every time I drift lane, that light goes orange, the lane one, and it just starts pushing me back in. I love it still, it's good. It makes sense why a lot of old people get this car, but you know, I'm not gonna genderize or ageist. It makes a lot of sense why a certain category of people get this vehicle. Especially being a Swedish car, this is perfect. Volvo knew what they're doing, they ticked off all the boxes, they done well. I'm bloody pleased. Silent drive. That's crazy. No music. They tell her a heated chair, or that's at least I can do. Oh, the one thing I didn't penny me about the Volvo, when you change the, you can hear the exhaust flaps when I change it from individual to dynamic. Listen.